Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another cooking vlogs in my channel. So today me and my sister are making Nikita, तू जानबूझ के कर रही है?
नहीं दे, हाथ गंदा हो गया.
Today me and my sister are making noodles. Actually not we, but she's gonna make. I'm just gonna vlog and eat and thoda bahut udhar idhar I'm gonna help. So let's start the video. Okay guys, so I have the chef, my sister, with me. So she's gonna tell us what all ingredients we need and how we are going to make. So ingredients.
You can buy Hakka Noodles packet from the market and then boil it just like you boil pasta. Boil it in water, put some salt and oil and then strain it once it is soft. Vegetables, I don't have much today, so I'm just going to use some garlic, onions, beans, French beans and dhania pata because I like dhania pata and everything, coriander leaves. And we are also trying to get some capsicum because I don't have any extra masala. I'm gonna mix the noodles with Szechuan chutney once everything is done. So more like Szechuan noodles.
Okay.
Basically, it's very easy. It's just
Any non-cook like me can make.
yeah. You just see the steps and you can make it.
But when a non-cook has a person like this, you don't need to cook.
This is the noodles we are going to use.
Okay guys, we are done with the noodles recipe and eating the noodles. It was really yummy.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming in my channel, not making, but also thank you for sharing the recipe in my channel. How do you feel? What do you think about the pasta?
We ate noodles.
What do you think about the noodles?
It was yum because I made it.
How much will you rate out of 10?
6 out of 5. 11 out of 10.
Oh! Okay guys, so that was our noodle recipe. for my cooking vlog. I hope you guys like it and try it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, press the bell icon, follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.